Upholding values of honesty and trust to deliver the best in real estate has been our greatest accolade, and by far we have proven to be the best in the business.
आज से 20 साल पहले हमने अपने सफ़र का आगाज़ लंदन की गलियों से किया था, और यहाँ ये बात भी काबिल ज़िक्र है कि मौजूदा राजा बाज़ार, जो कि पाकिस्तान का सबसे कदीम बाज़ार है, इसकी बुनियाद भी हमारे आबाओ अजदाद नहीं रखी थी। और इसी जज्बा तामीर को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए हम इंट्रोड्यूस करवाने जा रहे हैं एक नया प्रोजेक्ट जिसका नाम है ग्रैंड बाज़ार।
A bazaar that subconsciously or sometimes even literally is directly connected to our culture and conscious. A variety of people, traditions, food and merchandise blending together to create an environment. And to make it even more magical, the idea of Grand Bazaar was conceived.
A blend of classic and the contemporary, the Grand Bazaar is a lively marketplace that provides an enthralling experience of shopping, entertainment and dining to the residents of the Twin Cities.
It is located on the Islamabad Expressway in between the Twin Cities. ये शहरा इस्लामाबाद और रावलपिंडी की तमाम तजारती मराकज़ के लिए शहरा का किरदार अदा करेगी, और यही वजह है कि इसको फ्यूचर की शेख जायद रोड भी कहा जाता है।
Before moving on to the details of Grand Bazaar, let me first take you to the future of living and businesses in Pakistan. Islamabad downtown, that will not only fuel in the economy of the surrounding area, but will also provide a boost to the economy of the entire region.
The concept is beautifully self-sustaining, a hub of business, commercial and residential activities coming together to create a perfect balance, and we call this balance our live, work and play philosophy.
Islamabad downtown, the most prestigious square kilometre of Pakistan with endless business opportunities, and that is why we call it a home of entrepreneurs.
So we start this beautiful journey of Islamabad downtown with the Mall of Arabia, surrounded by the Arabian Parks, and besides that, the Grand Bazaar, Harley Center, Electronics Market, Imarat Residences 1 and 2, an urban forest and an institute of architecture, urban planning and building materials.
And all this is beautifully connected together through a pedestrian-friendly road called Imarat Boulevard. Grand Bazaar हमारे पुराने सकाफती बाज़ारों की ही एक जदीद सूरत है जिसमें पाकिस्तान के तमाम local brands मौजूद होंगे.
It is a true representation of our design and ethnicity of our culture across Pakistan, and it is an interpretation of the regional vernacular.
In contrast to Mall of Arabia, that is a luxury mall with high-end international and local brands, the Grand Bazaar is a modern interpretation of the local bazaars of Pakistan. Safe to say that it's a place where modernity will meet heritage.
The Grand Bazaar offers a glance at the history and culture of Pakistan, a linear complex that covers up to 10 lakh square feet of covered area, with tightly packed shops and stalls connected with narrow alleyways. The Grand Bazaar is situated right behind the Mall of Arabia and is connected through a bridge that is 40 feet wide.
With shopping arcades all around, the Grand Bazaar is easily accessible and has got shop fronts on all four sides. The main lane of this market has been designed behind Mall of Arabia's Tower 2, where the site's topography has been beautifully utilized into landscape areas with cascading steps and fountains. और इसी site topography को इस्तेमाल करते हुए हमने अपने project की access different levels पर दी है.
The building design is a perfect example of critical regionalism. The idea behind the concept is to preserve the local context, the local culture for locals and foreign tourists.
600 से ज़ायद दुकानों पर मुश्तमिल ग्रैंड बाज़ार हमारे कदीम और जदीद आर्किटेक्चर का हसीन इम्तिज़ाज है, और ट्रेडिशनल आर्किटेक्चर के साथ साथ यहाँ तमाम मॉडर्न फैसिलिटीज़ भी मौजूद हैं, जैसे कि स्पेशियस पार्किंग, एलिवेटर्स, एस्केलेटर्स, रेस्टोरेंट्स और बहुत कुछ.
The facade of the building is inspired by the Islamic colonial architecture, and it pays homage to the Mall of Arabia.
The Grand Bazaar, as the name suggests, has got a lot of key features and amenities, including gold souks, silk bazaar, wedding markets, spice bazaar, restaurants, cafes, and all these amenities are beautifully blended together with our communal activities.
The pedestrian experience is defined by the act of ascending and descending sloping topography. ये street Grand Bazaar की शान है, और इसको प्रिजर्व करने के लिए और यूज़र एक्सपीरियंस को और बेहतर करने के लिए हमने मुख्तलिफ जगहों पर टेंसाइल फैब्रिक शेड्स और स्टेन्ड ग्लास का इस्तेमाल किया है, जिसकी वजह से इस जगह की एम्बियंस और बेहतर हो जाती है.
Strolling through the streets of Grand Bazaar is a highly sensory experience. Losing yourself in the alleys, smelling the street food, and soaking all the sounds around will really elevate your experience to the next level.
Grand Bazaar का मकसद लोगों को तफरीह और तिजारती मामलात के लिए इकट्ठा करना है. With key points with not more than 10 to 15 minutes away, this is the perfect opportunity for people to gather around here for meetings while enjoying the hustling and bustling of the activities around.
सराफा बाजार की तर्ज पे डिजाइन किया गया एक गोल्ड सूक भी इस मंसूबे का हिस्सा है. The traditional gold souk at Grand Bazaar offers multiple outlets that primarily deal with gold, but also with silver and precious stone jewelry. To conclude, Grand Bazaar is not only a shopping and entertainment destination, but it's also a great business opportunity for all the local and international brands.
A place that would promote local craftsmanship, a tourist attraction that withholds all the elements of Pakistani culture in one place. Ladies and gentlemen, we present to you the Grand Bazaar.